Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Miracle Garden tour. Miracle Garden is the world's largest natural flower garden. Dubai Miracle Garden is located in the Dubai land. The garden was launched on Valentine's Day in 2013. In its each season, the Dubai Miracle Garden comes up with new floral themes and discard the older, less popular floral themes. Dubai Miracle Garden entry ticket rate is 55 dirhams for adults, 40 dirhams for kids from 3 years to 12 years, plus kids under 3 years go free, and the timing is from 9 am to 9 pm on weekdays and 9 am to 11 pm on weekends. There also a 400-meter walking track to take in the flower art. This is the swirling ballet dancers is the most innovative floral theme at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The floral theme to stay in continuous swirling motion, it is bigger innovative factor. The frock of the ballet dancers bloom all the colorful flowers. The ballet dancer is about 15 feet high from its base level, while their frock are almost 8 to 10 feet wide. Each dancer is separated by the distance of almost 8 feet. One of the ballet dancers are rotating clockwise while the other one are rotating counterclockwise. The ballet dancer floral theme is introduced at the Miracle Garden in the last season 8 2019 to 2020. This is the first ever motion based floral theme in the world. It has varieties of new and exciting attraction each season. Dubai Miracle Garden is usually open in mid of November until mid of May, 6 months of every year when the weather is cooler. Dubai Miracle Garden is a miracle by itself. It is a huge, beautiful garden in the middle of a desert, and it is unbelievable. The flowers here are in different design structures and shapes. You can walk around and click lot of pictures, and you will love this place. These colorful flower houses look so beautiful. Floral houses and bungalows offer an amazing ambience at the Dubai Miracle Garden. Each and every floral houses and bungalows is unique, and it is decorated in natural flowers and plants. Almost all the floral houses are shifted to a certain area of the Dubai Miracle Garden, and they look like small colony of floral houses and bungalows. However, the only pity is that you cannot enter the house or watch them from outside. In Dubai Miracle Garden, you have to walk clots and you will find beautiful seating arrangements everywhere to relax. A very spacious Disney Avenue creates an astonishing presence of the Disney characters at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The Disney Avenue offer at least 9 native characters from Disney, and each character is entirely adorned with colorful flowers and plants. Every season of the Dubai Miracle Garden tends to be more innovative, and does the season 7 with its Disney Avenue. The Avenue also celebrated Mickey Mouse's 90th birthday on 18th November 2018 with massive fireworks, dance, and jubilations. Almost 90% structure of the Disney characters is integrated with flowers and plants, while some parts like eyes, ears, and face, etc., are built as solid structure. Dubai Miracle Garden has successfully won many international awards, and it has won 3 Guinness World Records. The first Guinness World Record is the world's largest vertical garden in 2013. Second Guinness World Record is Emirates Airbus A380 as the biggest flower structure in the world in 2016. Third Guinness World Record is 59 feet of Mickey Mouse, which weighs almost 35 tons, is the tallest topiary structure in the world in 2018. The floral theme of the Ariel Floating Lady is one of the real marvels of the Dubai Miracle Garden. The Ariel Floating Lady is the newly introduced floral theme by the Dubai Miracle Garden in Season 8. Ariel Floating Lady, this floral theme itself is very unique as compared to all the other floral themes at the garden. When it comes to appearance, the Ariel Floating Lady also perfectly resembles like a doll. In fact, a very huge doll or not covered with flowers give all signs and impressions of a doll, especially color and material. The length of the Ariel Floating Lady is almost 20 feet. Currently, it is the most photographed theme at the Dubai Miracle Garden. You can see flowers from almost all angles for viewing the Ariel Floating Lady. The Emirates Airbus A380 floral theme was introduced at the Dubai Miracle Garden in Season 5, 2016. The Emirates Airbus A380 is one of the most popular and iconic floral theme of the Dubai Miracle Garden. Visitors love to have their photographs with this floral theme, and it offers a lot of photography opportunities. The Emirates Airbus floral theme bloom 5 million flowers. The flowers that have been planted and grown over this floral theme of aircraft. Moreover, Emirates Airline is written with the sea green colored flowers on the plane. The Emirates Airbus A380 has a huge size. Its length is almost 73 meters long, while it is as high as 80 feet above the ground level. This is the arch shaped design. The gigantic wash basin fountain is one of the ultimate creative themes at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The wash basin fountain is 100 times bigger than a normal wash basin. The wash basin fountain is introduced at the Miracle Garden Season 7. The structure of the wash basin fountain is built in such a way that it appears to work like a real wash basin of a washroom. The gigantic wash basin fountain pours the water from almost 12 feet length to the ground, where it has pebbles and stones within the basin. In a case that the organizers of the Dubai Miracle Garden find out that some floral themes have lost interest of the visitors, they are always replaced by the new ones in the next season. You may find some previous themes also within the new season, but they are only accumulated in the new season because they are the most liked themes of previous seasons. The Heart's Passage is the biggest example in this regard, which is the most iconic floral theme of the Dubai Miracle Garden. Since its inauguration in 2013, the theme still impresses visitors' attention at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The powerful sculpture shows a woman's hair made entirely from flowers and plants. Elephant fountain or the beautifully designed sculpture of elephant at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The trunk of this elephant serve as the fountain. The elephant fountains do not have any flowers on them. Flowers are only planted at the borders of the pond as hedges. Almost each and every body part of the elephant, like ears, legs, trunks, and tails, etc., are built in the most realistic way. They almost look like real elephant playing inside the water pond. There is a walkway around the pond, therefore, you can walk alongside the pond and watch these elephant fountains from all the angles. The elephant fountain at Dubai Miracle Garden are 10 feet high from the ground level and they almost 12 feet long with 4 feet width. In Dubai Miracle Garden, you can find lots of beautiful seating arrangements everywhere to relax. Natural flowers and plants are arranged in different themes and structures here in the Dubai Miracle Garden. Maintenance for this miracle garden is a big challenge. It is a huge team working for it. The Dubai Miracle Garden has a team of more than 400 individuals, which include botanists, cleaners, and managers, etc. The garden requires nearly 1 million liters of water per day, and this requirement is fulfilled by reusing the wastewater. The Dubai Miracle Garden utilizes drip irrigation system to water all the flowering plants. The Dubai municipality retreats the grey water of the city and send it directly to the garden. The garden again refilters the water and converts it to a very high quality water for its usage at the garden. The garden is only watered after the closing hours at night. Now we are going on top to see the full view of Dubai Miracle Garden. Now we are on the terrace. Here you can see the amazing and beautiful view of Dubai Miracle Garden. From this place you can view the stunning structure of the castles and Emirates Airbus A380 very clearly, as they are huge structures. Even in the terrace there is a good space to sit and relax watching the beautiful view. The floral diva as a floral theme is the true sensation of the Dubai Miracle Garden. Her presence above the clock has certainly boosted the whole section of the Clock Avenue. The floral diva is very tall and has her height of about 12 feet tall. This is a beautiful floral clock covered up with natural flowers and plants. It is nice to see this beautiful clock to know the exact time. Every spot inside the Dubai Miracle Garden is so beautiful to click pictures. This is a cool look colorful umbrella tunnel. You can sit and relax in a umbrella passage after a long and exhausting walk, where you can find coffee shops, food stalls and ice cream parlors. The enormous sized tea set breathing flowers into the cup is one of the most innovative floral themes of the Dubai Miracle Garden. A tea set whose kettle breathes flowers into the cup along with addition 3 cups in on display at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The tea set Breathing Flowers floral theme is introduced at Dubai Miracle Garden in season 8. This floral castle really is a magical kingdom surrounded by millions of flowers. The colorful floral castle looks so beautiful. This floral castle nearby, some of these floral houses and bungalows are spread in a row while others are standalone houses located along the pathways. The floral houses and bungalows offer an amazing ambience at the Dubai Miracle Garden. Each and every floral house and bungalow is unique and has its own color, look, and theme. Floral houses and bungalows were first introduced at the Dubai Miracle Garden in season 2 2014. This is a huge flower fort is one of the core attractions at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The flower fort creates a grand and royal presence at the garden. The flower fort is the newly built floral theme of the Dubai Miracle Garden in its season 7. The flower fort structure looks as natural as a real fort. It is solidly built with integration of beautiful flowers within it. The palm tree at the Dubai Miracle Garden are decorated with flowers at the top of their branches. All the branches are falling downwards just like the real palm trees. In terms of their size, the palm trees are almost 20 feet high from the ground level. This is the floral teddy bear with heart, which is one of the popular theme here. This is the floral teddy bear with heart, which is one of a popular theme here. It is nice to walk around and see the beauty of every structures here. Dubai Miracle Garden is the best place for photo shoot. The Heart Passage is the most popular floral attraction at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The Heart Passage has been part of the Dubai Miracle Garden since 2013 as of 2021. The structure of the Heart Passage is designed in such a way that its floral side always faces the visitors. Heart Passage is the most popular among the visitors when it's come to photography at the Dubai Miracle Garden. We are having a great time here as Dubai Miracle Garden is one of our favorite places in Dubai. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends and families. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Miracle Garden night tour. As the sun sets in the desert of Dubai, the night awesome behind the Dubai Miracle Garden. The ambience throughout the garden is truly magical to be experienced at the night. Two massive and staggering looking stallions in the form of topiary art are one of the prime attractions at the Dubai Miracle Garden. Stallions as a topiary art having a dazzling presence at the Dubai Miracle Garden, and visitors are amazed by their expressions. One of the stallions is displaying expressions of excitement, while the other one is displaying the endorsement expressions for the visitors of the Dubai Miracle Garden. Dubai Miracle Garden is nothing short of a miracle itself, as it's fully nature enriched, which is rather unusual for the city of Dubai. The brightness of flowers under the floodlights, the influence of moon and stars in the sky, the softness of the background music, the never-ending paths of the floral themes, and the magical nature itself triggers the night awesome of the Dubai Miracle Garden. Unlike a normal garden where life is rather dull at nights, the nightlife of the Dubai Miracle Garden buzzes with miracles of nature. The same floral themes which the visitors of Miracle Garden admire under the sun give a refreshingly new look at night. Furthermore, the arrangement of many surprise events during the night hours really lets you to witness and celebrate one of the most memorable moments of your life at the Dubai Miracle Garden. Special events are organized at night time on many big occasions like Mickey Mouse birthday celebration, Valentine's Day celebration, New Year celebration, and fireworks, Eid holidays, and National Day celebrations, etc. Together, these events really contribute to build the night awesome of the Dubai Miracle Garden. You can enjoy the full entertainment of the night at the Dubai Miracle Garden till 9 pm on weekdays and 11 pm on weekends after sunset. You can enjoy the night at the Dubai Miracle Garden without being worried about the availability of public transport because RTA bus, RTA taxi service, and even a private taxi service is always available at night. The bus also has a frequency of 30 minutes, which means that it is available after every 30 minutes at night times. Apart from bus, RTA taxi service and private taxi service also operating from the Dubai Miracle Garden. Therefore, you can enjoy the night awesome at the Dubai Miracle Garden without being worried much about the public transport. All the floral themes and floral sculptures are perfectly visible at night timings as well. Floodlights are everywhere at the garden and they perfectly highlight each and every flower of the garden. Therefore, you can capture the night extravaganza with almost the same level of visibility as in the daytime. Each and every floral themes shines in a unique way during the night hours at the garden. All the floral themes are perfectly visible during the night hours of the Dubai Miracle Garden. The garden glows under the floodlights while each floral theme becomes more magical under the lights. The view of Dubai Miracle Garden after sunset also it is look so beautiful. Keep watching till the end of the video. The beautiful garden with colorful lights all around. The Emirates Airbus A380 theme is equally awesome to have photographs during evening and night timings, as proper network of lighting ensures the elegant visibility of the theme within your photographs. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment and share with your friends and families. And subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get further videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.